My video tutorial will provide you with guidelines that will help you to remove malicious pop-ups related to the website getadtrank.com. Pop-ups by getadtrank.com are dangerous and obviously deceptive. They try to make you basically download and install some potentially unwanted applications. If you see these pop-ups by getadtrank.com, don't tolerate them. They may actually hijack your browser with adware type applications, so be very careful and leave this page. And if anything malicious was installed to your Google Chrome, access the menu, click on extensions, then manage extensions, and then delete any junk extensions if you find them. Also, I recommend you to research the system with Combo Cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install the program, and start thoroughly researching your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to effectively detect and eliminate other threats from your device. So after you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner, the software will be initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. The full mode includes full system scan and custom scan, but as I said, in the trial version only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on the start scan button, and most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database. And by the way, this is a very essential step, so do not skip it. Do not cancel the update procedure, and then the scanning will begin. It may take some time, of course. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats that were revealed by Combo Cleaner during the scan. Some threats may be related to the browser-related issues. Some other threats may be associated with more serious threats such as ransomware, adware, or other type of viruses on the web. Of course, you can remove certain threats manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium license. This is the best way to keep all your files protected and to keep your entire computer free of any other possibly hidden threats.